How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today. We got to take a look at a plug toilet. Let's see what we find. Hello. You guys got a plugged toilet?
Yeah, somebody's toilet like it back up into mine because when I left here, I was away for a while. When I left here, there was no toilet, there was no poo in the toilet. When I came back, there's poo in the toilet and it won't flush.
Okay. Do you mind if I take a look?
And I stole it, so it's kind of stinking there.
No worries.
Okay, thank you very much for coming.
Not a problem. Light on the inside?
Yeah, right there.
All right, perfect. I'm gonna close the door, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem. Bathtub is fine. Alright, let's give it a little augering. Here's the auger. You can see the stains on the toilet. It's been like that for a while. Okay, we're gonna pull it out. Give it one more blast. Nothing's on the cable. We're just letting it fill up now. Perfect. All right, there you go. We're going to talk to the management because there's a little bit of calcium in there. We're going to have to tell them to keep an eye on it. But until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna. How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today. We got to take a look at a plug toilet. Let's see what we find.
11th floor.
Just gotta put on my mask. Hello.
Hello.
You got a plug toilet?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here to take care of it for
Okay,
you.
thank you very much.
No problem. I'm just gonna go in and close the door, okay?
Pardon?
I say I'm just gonna go in and close the door.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna use the auger. We have to extend it. There we go. Perfect. So nothing came back on the cable. I'm going to snake it once more. Perfect. There you go. We got a perfect flush. So thanks for watching the video, guys. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.